tradition. So there's a beautiful verse again which says, Acharyat Padam Adatte. So one learns only one quarter from the Acharya. Acharyat Padam Adatte Padam Shishya Swamedhaya. So another quarter one learns by his own buddhi. If one just learns, reads, and then has no buddhi, doesn't apply one's own buddhi, then also it is said, Yasya nasti swayam prajna shastram tasya karoti kim. So one can have the shastra learning, but if one doesn't have one's own buddhi, prajna, then shastra is of no use. It's like that story of four pandits. They went, they came out of the Gurukul knowing that they know everything, and they were carrying their shastras. For everything, they will refer to the shastra. Let's see what the shastra says. So they were standing for the first time. They have not seen a chatushpatha. Chatushpatha means a square where the roads are into four directions. Not knowing which direction to take, which road to take. So they said, okay, let's wait and see what happens. So then they saw that, like a group of people going towards a particular direction, taking a particular road. So they asked, what happened? What is happening here? Who are these people? So someone told them that the the whole group is carrying a dead body, and that is the dead body of the mother of the Mahajana here of this nearby village. So they are going to the cremation ground, taking the body. So they didn't understand what is cremation ground and all these things. For them, what was important was Mahajana. So they said, let's see what the Shastra says about Mahajana. And we are fixed here which road to take. So one of them, he consulted the Shastra and he said, like, hey, we now got the answer where to go. Because the Shastra says, Mahajano yena gatah sapantha. So the real path is which has been trodden by the great people, noble people. But they took the word Mahajana in its literal sense. They said that the road which the Mahajana is taking, that's the real road. So we should follow him. So they followed and then landed in Smashan, the cremation ground. And there, not knowing what to do, they found a donkey. They said, just find out what is this Smashan, and what should we do. So immediately another person out of the four, he consulted the Shastra and he said, Rajadware Smashanecha yah tishtati sabandhava. So someone who is present in the court or in the smashan, in the cremation, like when you are in trouble, you are dragged to the court. So your real friends show their faces there, right? So he said, Yah tishtati sabandhava. So that means that donkey is our real friend. So let's serve him. So they, patted the donkey and got kicked by the donkey nicely. So it was again evening coming, not knowing what to do. So they went to the village, followed the Mahajana, went to that village. They said, we will rest here. And in the village itself, they were invited for food. So two of them were invited to one person's house, another two were invited to another person's house. So two of them went to the first person. So he was making, set dosai. Okay. So he was making dosa, and then the set dosa has many holes, right? So then he said, what is this kind of food? We do not understand. So let's consult the Shastra, and it has many holes. So one consulted the Shastra and said, no, we should not even touch this food because chidreshu anartha bahuli bhavanti. So jahan chidra hai, wahan anarth hai. So there are so many holes, so we should not touch this food. So they left. And then the other two people where they went, so they had, they had a Chinese guest. So they made some Chinese, noodles or whatever kind of thing. So they said, what is this kind of food? We have never seen. It is like long threads. So he said, just consult the Shastra. So they consulted the Shastra. And the person said, oh, it is so dangerous. Dirgha Sutri Vinashyati. So Dirgha Sutri is the word who delays the work. you know. So for that, and they took it the literal sense. He said dirgha sutri vinasyati, so we can't do our vinas, so let's run away. So that's how they ran away and then remained empty stomach. So this is what the Shastra does if one doesn't have the Swayam Prajna. So it says Acharyat Padam Adatte Padam Shishya Swamedhaya Padam Sa Brahmacharibhya. One quarter has to be learned from the fellow learners. Like we create the WhatsApp group, chat, and then learn from each other. Okay, help each other in learning. Then still the Vidya is not complete. He says Padam Kala Kramenacha. And the last quarter is left to the time. So the time will decide, or over a period of time, it will have the fruition, whatever we are learning. So this is what is our tradition, and the whole learning happens. And there are four aspects we need to take. One is Kala, which is very, very important. One is Utsaha, the enthusiasm that has to be there. And one is Shastra, and one is Guru. So, Shastra, Utsaha, Guru, and Kala. These are the four aids in learning. So, there is a beautiful verse in the Mahabharata in Sanat Sujatiya section. So, I am pasting it here. Kalam Kalena Padam Labhate Tathartham Tatascha Padam Guru Yogatascha Utsaha Yogena Chapadam Ruche Shastreण पादम च ततो भी याति.